Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Pisces for week ahead. So watch this video if you're a Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, then the link is again in the description. Now let's see messages on Pisces, love life and general messages. If you don't already know, I'm a Pisces rising, so I'm excited to see the messages too. All right, give me the present energy of Pisces. What is happening? Oh, wow. The Empress and the Queen of Swords. Oh, wow, Pisces. You have such contradicting energy. So, Empress on the one side shows to me that money is looking really good for you. Okay, so some of you, your business is thriving. If not, it is going to thrive. Some of you, if you are planning to conceive, then you might conceive. I see your prosperity and abundance coming into your life, and I see you have been working hard on it as well, and now things are going to flow in. All right, I see you are going to reach a very stable position. So yeah, if anything is bothering you, or if you have been having some sort of insecurity lately, then you don't have to be insecure because things are falling in the place. When it comes to Queen of Sword, I see that you are also trying to suppress your emotions. All right, you're trying to be very practical, very analytical. This is very contradicting energy. So Pisces, you might be having an inner conflict with your own self, where one day you feel like I'm going to do so much for people, and I'm going to do this and do that, and I'm going to be very caring and nurturing and all of that. But then the second day you feel like, no, I'm not going to do anything for anybody, or I'm just going to put up a cold, mean bitch face, and I am not going to entertain any sort of bullshit. So very contradicting energy that's happening. Some of you, I see that you are also respecting your own self, so you're not bending over backwards like you used to. And anybody bringing any sort of bullshit in your life, you are going to cut them out, and you have been cutting people out of your life left and right, is what I feel. Some of you, I also feel that recently you had a miscarriage, maybe, so that has been hurting you. But the Empress card here shows that you are going to conceive very soon, so don't worry about that. I know it's difficult, but you are going to be, in a good position very soon, so that's about it. Some of you, I see that somebody might have done something to you to disappoint you, and they thought that you are going to suffer in silence, but you basically cut that person out of your life. So so all jokes on them. Okay, what else? Yeah, 10 of Wands. I see that somebody was just trying to unnecessarily burden you with it was a love connection where you were the one who was doing everything, bending over backwards, and taking people's crap and all of that. I see you were the one who was solely trying to maintain the connection, to the point where you got overburdened and burnt out, and then you just kind of pulled back. All right, Seven of Pentacles shows to me that you are trying to withdraw from a love situation, some of you, and you are just trying to focus a lot on your money and business these days. Some of you also feel that like your efforts have all gone in vain, so you might be feeling that I had put in so much effort and this person did not appreciate. So okay, let it be. If somebody does not appreciate my efforts, I am not going to make them realize. All right, so that's your energy. You're just trying to withdraw that energy, and you're trying to focus on your own self. Okay, what else? Queen of Wands. We have all the queens here. So we have Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands, and then we have the Mother Empress. I see that you are becoming very versatile. So you might not be, able to recognize it right now because you are going through all of this. But I see that, you are not realizing your worth, but people are seeing you as a queen or a king. All right. So you are in a very powerful energy. Some of you, the problem is that you are so overburdened by things that you're not able to recognize your own glow, but people are recognizing your glow. So I see a lot of people have their eye on you, and people just want to connect with you. People just want to have good time with you, like they just want to take you out on date and all of that, but you are just overburdening yourself with work and money or business situation. You are distancing yourself from somebody who was not giving you the clarity and who was making you do all the work. That's why you are not very happy when it comes to your happiness, but yeah, you're doing well, all right, and you're trying to be happy again. Okay, what is Pisces thinking about this person? Six of Swords. You feel that if somebody cannot give you the clarity, or if somebody cannot make the effort for you, you don't need them in life. So you are like, you have love, there is love in the situation. I'm not saying that you guys are over each other, there could be love. Some of you, this is a soulmate connection, but yeah, if somebody is not trying to fix the situation with you, you are not going to stay there and wait for somebody to change. You are going to move forward, is what I see. You don't want to waste your time with people who cannot be honest with you or who cannot give you the clarity. You are just kind of done. And you have been cutting people out of your life because of the very reason. Okay, what else? Magician. Some of you, you're manifesting things. So these days you've become a master manifester. Whatever you're setting your mind to, you are going to attract. So Magician card shows to me that, oh wow, some of you are attracting a marriage or a commitment. This is beautiful. So we have Magician, and the Hierophant shows to me some of you, you are looking for marriage. You're trying to manifest marriage, and you're looking for an equal partnership, because in the past this person did not reciprocate what you wanted. So now you're trying to attract an equal level of partnership in your life, all right? And I see that you are distancing yourself from any sort of drama. Some of you, you are educating yourselves. You are attracting a soulmate. I don't know if you know this, but subconsciously I see you are attracting an alpha male or an alpha female, all right? Because you are in this Empress energy, you are attracting an Emperor energy, all right? You also feel that if I have done so much of work on myself and I have reached to a position, I'm not going to lower my standards to put up with people's bullshit. So that's your energy. You're very, very determined about something. When it comes to your work, you're becoming very disciplined. You're trying to find new ways to make money. You're strategizing, taking actions. And when it comes to love, you are manifesting it. And you're manifesting an equal partnership, all right? You don't want somebody to come with half-ass energy towards you, not interested. Okay, what happened in the recent past between Pisces and their person? Four of Cups. So your commitment, Four of Pentacles. I see somebody was very stubborn, so your person might have not opened up to you. I don't see a third party situation yet. But what I see is that you were trying to put in a lot of effort. Some of you, you brought a lot of stability into the situation. Maybe some of you, you were the breadwinners, or you were just trying to make things happen with somebody, but unfortunately, it did not go anywhere. Like somebody did not recognize your effort, all right? You were doing everything and this person kept on ignoring and kept on taking you for granted. And that kind of hurts. You know, when that happens, we get hurt. We are not hurt because somebody, is doing anything. We are more or less hurt because of the fact that I did so much and it was not appreciated. So that's happening. That's why you just kind of, Pisces, some of you, you've lost interest in the situation. You feel there's no point, all right? You are not as enthusiastic about the situation as you used to be. So somebody has turned you off majorly. So what is the future energy for Pisces in this person? Ten of Swords. So some of you, I see you are going to put this situation to an end and move forward. You feel that you cannot take this person's burden anymore. Like this person has burdened you beyond you could take, and now you do not want to continue. All right, and you're just trying to seek for a new beginning. You know, Ten of Swords is basically ending a new beginning. So I see that you're looking for a change in your life. You're looking for change in the situation, and you just want to move forward. And you do not want to be part of drama. So if anybody brings any sort of conflict in your life, you're not interested. Your mind is very confused though, because we saw Two of Cups, so there are emotions. But when you think analytically about the situation, you realize there is no point. So it's like, sometimes you get confused what to do, move forward or move back. So you are trying to just balance your emotions a lot these days, and your mind is racing in all the different directions. Okay, what else? The High Priestess. Some of you, you got to know some sort of truth about this person, or your intuition had been telling you something. You might have ignored it, but then your intuition was right. This person might have unnecessarily created some drama with you, so maybe they involved a lot of other people, or there was like unnecessary noise in the situation which kind of broke the situation. Some of you, it was just like other people getting involved and worsening your condition with them. A lot of misunderstandings happened, basically. A lot of confusion in communication. You said something, they understood something else, and then somebody came into the situation and they over messed the situation. Okay, what else? Also be careful that you do not allow people to come and give you opinions about what you should do. Like, try to take your actions by yourself. 5 of Wands is not involving outside influence in your personal life, all right? Because I see people might just try to give you unnecessary opinions, and that might make you confused further. So be careful. What else? Moon card. I keep on seeing this confusion, some sort of secret being revealed, your intuition telling you something about a situation, you ignoring it, but finally that thing is going to come to the light. So just pay attention to your thoughts and intuitions about a situation. I also feel with the moon card that you guys feel very drained and depleted, all right? Because you have been hustling so much, or you have been doing a lot of things. Some of you feel very depleted. You don't have energetically much to give. So you see, again, that's the Ace of Cups. You need to fill your cup again. Some of you, you need to indulge in some sort of self-care. You need to take a break, or you just need to replenish your energy, because I see that whatever has been going on in your life in the recent past has depleted you majorly, and you need to refill your cup again, all right? Okay, what is coming in love for my Pisces? What is coming in love towards my Pisces? So we have the Devil and the King of Cups. So I see there could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Capricorn that's coming towards you. This person has very secret agenda towards you. You know, this person has feelings, but they will not tell you. This person is judging you. So that can be that. I also feel that somebody is hiding their feelings towards you. So they might tell you like, I'm not interested, or let's see where it goes, but they have feelings, all right? Some of you, this person also have addiction problems. So they don't want you to know that they have addiction problems, so they need to figure out their shit before they can come into your life. So that can be that. 2 of Wands also shows to me that some of you are going to have more than one option in love. Somebody has feelings for you, but they are not showing it, okay? Somebody is hiding their feelings for you. And you feel that you don't have time for anybody's drama. So somebody is testing your patience here for real. With the 2 of Wands, I see you will be having more than one option in love. So don't worry, honey. You are going to have options in love, all right? Okay, what else? Tell me more about this person. Knight of Pentacles. They want to offer you love, but they are coming in really slow. Some of you, this person knows that you are energetically and in other areas also you are doing better than them, and you are a more sorted individual. So they need to fix their shit before they can come towards you. So they know that they cannot come with half-ass energy towards you. So that's why they are taking their own sweet time. But their delay is kind of pissing you off. What is the intention of this person towards my Pisces? Hanged Man. Somebody is regretting. They are having a period of reflection, how they behaved, and they are now regretting whatever they did to you, or whatever they said to you, or whoever they indulged in the situation, okay? So this person is doing some deep thinking these days, and they are regretting the fact of whatever they did. Okay, what else? So expect some communication coming towards you, but it's going to come slow. 3 of Wands. Somebody is contemplating to reach out to you. So they are making plans, and they might do it in next 3 weeks. So keep that in mind. Some of you, I also feel that some sort of expansion is going to take in your personal life. So if you have been planning to expand your business or your money ventures or whatever, it's going to happen, all right? If you're planning to move abroad or travel abroad, so a situation is coming in. Some sort of good news might be coming in from abroad. Okay, what else? 7 of Swords. This person is trying to make a move towards you. However, you feel this person has been so unstable, so you can't trust. Some of you, there was a third party situation. For others of you, by the time this person comes in, there will be someone else in your life. So you will be in a situation to choose, okay? There is a past situation which still kind of bothers you. With this 7 of Swords and 7 of Cups, I see something is mentally, bothering you a lot. And that is what is just trying to block your love life as well. Because you're just trying to be single and happy. You're like, what's the point of dealing with somebody and then getting yourself hurt, but there is like love coming towards you. So some of you, I feel that if you have been single for some time, some of you, I think you have been single for last 7 to 9 months or 7 to 9 weeks. I see love coming into your life, like a new love chapter is going to open in your life. So this person is trying to come back and apologize, but some of you feel that there's no point, so you can decide. Yeah, calling in your soulmate. As I said, you are manifesting a relationship, and I see very soon you will be getting whatever you have been manifesting. If you're manifesting an ex, that's happening. If you're manifesting a love situation, that's happening. Some of you and this person had problems, and it was family problems. So you both were not having problems, it was family problems. And very soon I see somebody is going to come with apology. So somebody wants to apologize big times. All right, give me message for Pisces, please. I don't want to accept reality. This person was never accepting the reality, and that kind of messed the situation. Like, they used to ghost you every time you used to confront them, and now they are regretting what they did. Give me message for Pisces. I want to have twins with you. Okay, how do you have twins with me, honey? If you don't resolve the issue, is what you feel. I can keep looking at you all day. See, somebody is mesmerized by you. We are destined to be together. So yeah, I see that some of you, this is a soulmate connection. No matter what happens between both of you, you always bounce back. So that can be that. Or otherwise, at least this person feels that they are destined to be with you. You accept them or not is your choice. So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.